We live in a society where our conduct matters a lot. The way we behave to the way we dress is in itself a statement. This sense of conduct or style with respect to the trending time is referred to as fashion. It is a well-known fact that our fashion emerges a lot from influence. Films have always made a deep impact on our fashion sense. From people wearing bell-bottoms in the 70s to Geet from Jab We Met prompting the girls to dress like her, films have always upgraded the fashion market. With the social media glorified influencer culture booming, many brands are now trying to set their foot in the market. The ever-increasing cutthroat competition between the brands compel the designers to bring out their creative best. Once the design is done, testing and stimulating it is a tedious task and needed revival. Due to this, digital fashion has come up as the solution. Previously, the testing and simulation used to be done using fabric. That process is nearly eliminated. This prevents the wastage of fabric. This is the reason digital fashion is considered the wildcard entry in the fashion industry. In order to understand why it is trending, we need to first understand what digital fashion is. Digital fashion is a visual representation of clothing built using computer technologies and 3D software. It is an interplay between technology and dressmaking. This technology uses artificial intelligence and composites the 3D model on the user. Hence, you don't even need an actual wardrobe. You can flaunt this composite clothing on social media as part of your digital wardrobe. Digital fashion got revolutionized when in 2018 Carlings, a Scandinavian retailer, launched the world's first digital-only clothing collection. Each of the 19 pieces was sold. All the customer had to do was provide them with their photo. Their team of 3D designers would edit the digital outfit onto the client. Let's see what are the factors contributing to the trending of digital fashion. The wild arrival of digital fashion. A sustainable solution. Digital fashion is the most effective route for customers to cope up with the current fashion trends. Conventional fashion too does the same, but at the cost of harming the environment. Now, every year, close to 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions come from the fashion industry. Digital fashion helps in minimizing this problem. It allows the customers to not compromise in their fashion fantasies while being eco-friendly. Body and gender inclusive. The notion that anyone can wear anything regardless of their size or gender is one great USP of digital fashion. The clothing is universal. Digital fashion brands provide all genderless and sizeless items. Better self-expression. The canvas of expressing yourself through digital fashion is limitless. You can go through endless choices with respect to style, fabric, and color. Moreover, designers can experiment with materials and textures in abundance. There are ways to check an abstract version of yourself and post it if you like it. Gamification. Now, digital fashion has infiltrated the gaming industry, particularly post-COVID. The products there are called skins. They are clothing and accessories for the gaming characters. There is a huge market for digital fashion in the gaming world. Many renowned brands have entered the market. In 2019, Louis Vuitton partnered with game League of Legends to create skins for characters within the game. Although there is a problem that this technology cannot digitally dress and it's a bit expensive, there are steps being taken on this front. They also lack the feel of sewing one's clothes. However, digital fashion surely allows you to see your online persona as an extension of yourself. It is both exciting and frightening at the same time. What best we can do is try and see our fashion fantasies coming true for once.